चलिए बच्चों ओपन कीजिए जरा। ठीक है, कोई डाउट पिछली क्लास से आप लोगों को? कोई डाउट बच्चों? राइट जी, आगे चलते हैं बेटा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज असर्शन रीजन। When solving minus 5x is less than equal to minus 25, the correct solution is x greater than equal to 5. Is this true or false? बच्चे, it is given that minus 5x is less than equal to 20 minus 25. What will be the solution of this? Divide both sides by minus 5. When we divide both sides by negative terms, the sign changes. Cancel ji. So x will be greater than equal to 5. So this is the correct explanation. This is the correct assertion is true. Now comes to the reason. When both sides of an inequality are divided by a negative number, the direction of the inequality sign is reversed. This is also correct explanation. So hence option will be A option. Assertion and reason are both true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Is it clear? Is this clear, bachcho? Yes or no? Yes. Now move to the next question. The solution set of 5x minus 3 less than 7 in the set of natural numbers. Please do this, bachcho. Find out the solution set of this. 5x minus 3 is less than 7. Solution set find out. The solution set find out karna hai, and the solution set is in the natural numbers. Solution set they have given is 1. This is the solution set. Tell me whether it is true or false. True है बेटा, right? इस inequality को solve किया, 5s less than 7 plus 3, 5 से divide कर दिया जी, तो x is less than 2 आ जाएगा. Now it is less than only, equal का sign नहीं है, so natural number below 2 is only 1, hence it is true. Right? Now look at the reason. And only natural number, yes, reason is also true. बच्चे correct explanation है ये. The reason is also the correct explanation. So hence it is again A option. Both reason and assertion are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now comes to the question number 3, बच्चों. Now look at this. This is an बच्चों this is linear नहीं है ये यहाँ पे ना. This is a quadratic inequality. So we need to change the question. This question will be ax plus b is less than equal to 0 is a linear inequality in one variable. Linear बनाना था तो बेटा I have made it linear, right? Linear inequality in one variable. Reason is an inequality is linear if in x, if highest power of x appearing in it is 1. Is it true or false? अच्छा सॉरी, तो आपको गिवन ही यही है, is ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, we have to tell the true and false. So this is false. Assertion will be false ना बच्चे, otherwise ये होनी चाहिए हमारे पास. Linear is ax plus b, but here it is quadratic. So this will be false. Now reason is true. So A is false, R is true. Answer will be D. Is it clear or not, बच्चों? Is this clear or not? बेटा जो given है, this is a quadratic inequality, but he is giving it to be a linear. Linear तो नहीं है बच्चे ये, तो it will be false. And explanation is true. And inequality in linear is x has the highest power of 1, right? So that is true. समझ में आया बच्चों या नहीं आया ये? Next comes to the question number 4. 3 is less than 5. अब देखिए बड़ा, question number 4. He said 3 is less than 5 implies that -3 is greater than -5. ये ट्रू है बेटा या नहीं है बच्चे? इज इट ट्रू और नॉट बेटा? नो नॉइस, नो 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 टॉकिंग प्लीज. बच्चे आपको गिवन है 3 is less than 5. This implies to -3 is greater than -5. When we divide both side of an inequality by the negative, दोनों को नेगेटिव से डिवाइड कर दिया या मल्टीप्लाई, तो साइन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी चेंजेस. यस और नो? अदरवाइज अगर आप देखें 3 is less than 5, true. -3 is greater than -5, that is also true. So this is true. Now comes to the reason part. Multiplying both sides of an inequality by the same negative, yes, that is also true. Hence the option A will be there. Option A, both assertion and reason are true, right? Is this clear? Is this clear or not? Now comes to the question number 5. Question number 5 is the graph of x is greater than equal to 3 on the number line uses a filled circle at 3 and a line extended to the right. अब देखिए बच्चे, जब आप इसका ग्राफ बनाते हैं जी, x is greater than equal to 3. Now what will be the graph? Let's say this is 3. So this will be the graph. You will draw a filled circle at 3, right, on the number line and a line extended to the right. Yes, बच्चे, it is true. 3 पे dark circle है and we are extending it to the right. So assertion is true, right? Now comes to the reason. A dark filled circle indicates that the boundary point is included in the solution set, which happens in non-stick inequalities, right? A dark filled circle indicates that the pointy point is included in the solution set, which happens in non-strict inequalities. Beta, what do you mean by strict inequality or non-strict? Can anybody tell me? Yes? बच्चे, inequality क्या होती है? Strict inequality when the only sign are less than and equal. Non-strict में क्या हो जाएगा? Equal is also there. So this is also true, right? So this is non-strict. Is it clear? So this is also true, बच्चों. Okay? So what does the answer means? Both are true. Hence the option will be A. Okay? Reason and assertion both true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Any doubt, बच्चों, in any of the question? Clear है? Now we move on to the case study based question. Question number 6. The budget planner. Maninder is a class 11 student who manages his monthly pocket money of rupees 500 carefully. He wants to buy some pens and notebooks. Beta, just understand how to make the inequations from the given data. बेटा नो टॉकिंग प्लीज. ये जरा ना थोड़ी देर के लिए बंद कर दो अपना माइक, आवाज बहुत आ रही है. प्लीज स्विच ऑफ योर माइक, म्यूट पे लगा दो बेटा. Whenever you have to ask the question, please raise your hand and you can unmute yourself. You have any doubt, any questions? Maninder is a class 11 student who manages monthly pocket money of rupees 500 carefully. He wants to buy some pen and notebooks. पेन की कॉस्ट है बच्चों 10 rupees and notebook is rupees 40 each from a stationery shop. He needs at least 5 pens. At least 5 pens, right? Is this clear? Another thing is, चलो इसी की पहले इक्वेशन बनाना शुरू करते हैं. Let number of pens are x and number of notebooks are y. Is this clear? Is this clear? Now what he says, at least 5 pen. What do you mean by at least? Means 5 should be greatest or equal to 5. Is it clear? बच्चे x should be greater than or equal to 5. हाँ जी. Next what he says, he needs at least 5 pens for his school and does not want to spend more than 500 rupees in total. Is this clear? Now, second statement what he says, he does not want to spend more than 500. Means 500 is the constraint, limit है. तो आपके पास टोटल क्या हो जाएगा? Cost of one pen is 10 rupees. Right, number of pens x. तो total cost of pens क्या हो गई बच्चों? 10x. What will be the total cost of notebooks? 40y, and it should be less than equal to 500. Means total cost should be less than 500. Suppose you go in the market, ठीक है, you have 500 rupees. तो बच्चे आप 500 से ज्यादा की शॉपिंग तो नहीं कर सकते ना, because that is your limitation. So here also his limitation is 500 rupees. He is supposed to buy some pen where each pen costs rupees 10 and each notebooks cost rupees 40. So number of pens we have taken x. So total cost of pens is 10x. Total cost of notebooks is 40y. So put together both should not be greater than or should be less than 500. So less than equal to 500. So this is the equation. This is an equality in two variable. Now what he says, he also insists on buying at least 3 notebooks. Means notebooks are at least 3, means y should be greater than equal to 3, right? See, you have to understand these two words, at most and at least. What is the meaning of at least? Kam se kam, right? For example, I have given you last time also the example. For passing in board, you required 33 marks, right? Out of 100. So that is the at least, means your mark should be at least 33. Greater than that, it can be up to 100. Means if I have to write that into inequality, if marks are x, passing marks will be 33 and it can be less than equal to 100. Have you understood? At least 30 means x will be greater than equal to 33. Total is 100, so x will be less than equal to 100. So understand this thing, at least and at most. That is very important. Right, students? So now we come to the next statement. At the shop, Maninder noticed a combo offer. If he buys more than 8 notebooks, each notebook costs rupees 35. Means agar wo he buy more than 8, means if y is greater than 8, then cost will be rupees 35. Now he says more than means 8 से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. तो we have not put here the equality signs. We have put only greater than 8. The shopkeeper also tells him that for any order above rupees 450, there is a free gift. Right? 450 से ज्यादा एक free gift भी है जी. Maninder wants to know what combination of pens and notebooks can he buy within his budget, right? And under what conditions can he get the free gift? What combination of pens and notebooks, right? We have to find that. His friend Meera suggests buy exactly 5 pens and as many notebooks as possible. मतलब उसका suggestion क्या आता है कि minimum 5 pen he required. So she says buy only 5 pens और बाकी के पैसों की notebooks purchase कर लो. Is it clear? His teacher says translate every condition into an inequality before deciding. Based on the story above, answer the following question. अच्छा, let P is the number of pens and N is the number of notebooks. इसको change कर लेते हैं बच्चों हम. इसने दिया P is the pens number of notebooks right? P is the pens, N is the number of notebooks. So here P is greater than, N is greater than P, right बच्चों? So notebooks, right? So I have changed everything into N and P wherever it is required. Number of pens P should be greater than equal to 5. Notebooks N should be greater than equal to 3. Total cost 10P plus 40N is less than equal to 500. Now first question is, write the inequality for total amount Maninder can spend given the constraint P is greater than equal to 5 and N is equal to greater than equal to 3. Write the inequality for the total amount Maninder can spend. So बच्चे inequalities में कौन कौन सी equations आ जाएंगी? One is this, another is this is the inequality, right? Is this clear? These two conditions are given, so this will be the inequality, right? Come to the second part. If Maninder follows Meera's suggestions, find the maximum number of notebooks. Very simple, bache. What is the suggestion? This is the inequality yours. Put P equal to 5. Find the value of N. Please do it, bacho. Put the value of P as 5 in this question and find the value of N. Okay. Just a moment. Write the inequality for the total amount. Now for this thing, what equation you will take? You will take 10P plus 35N, right? That should be less than equal to. Why I have taken 35? Can anybody tell me? Can anybody tell me? Yes, students. Because when he will buy 5 pens, so what it becomes? 10 into 5 plus 35N is less than equal to 500. So 35N so in this case, number of notebooks will be less than, greater than 8. If the number of notebooks are greater than 8, then the cost of each notebook will be 35 rupees. Is this clear? That's why we have taken N as 35. Cost of N as 35. Next part is, with P is equal to find and then maximum N from B. Does Mohinder qualify for the free gift? That is total greater than 450. Yes. Bache, he is eligible for gift because the total amount he is spending is 500 rupees. Right? Verify using the inequality. Inequality को use करके बच्चों, you can solve this. Is it clear? Is this clear बच्चों? Inequality को show कर दिया हमने जी यहाँ पे. Because total cost 5 pen, total cost is 500. So therefore, the amount he is spending is more than 450. Hence, he will be eligible for the free gift. Comes to the part D. If Maninder decides to use the combo offer, acha, with P equal to 5, write and solve the new inequality. Okay. So student, ये जो मैंने solve किया ना, this is for D part. Now here he is using the combo offer. 5 plus, he is using P as 5 and D will be greater than 8. What will be the combo offer? This is the combo offer. Combo offer में price is 35. Is it clear? Is this clear, बच्चों? When he has taken the 5 pens and the cost of notebook as 35 rupees, solve this inequality. You will get the number of notebooks. What will be the number of notebooks in this case? 450 by 35. 5 sevens are 90 means this will be equal to n will be less than equal to 12 6 by 7 means number of notebooks will be, how many notebooks will be there? At least 12 notebooks will be there, right? Is this clear? Bache, if yes, please raise your hand. If no, please ask the questions. Right, Ji, thank you. Now comes to the next question. Okay, what is the maximum number of notebooks he can buy? How many notebooks he can buy? 12 notebooks, right? Now comes to the subjective question, bacho. Question number 7. Observe the following steps a student follow to solve. Bache, question is, we have to solve this inequality, right? So there are some steps given here. A student has solved this inequality, and what are the steps he has taken? Step 1, he has taken it as it is. Step 2, he has taken minus 2x is greater than equal to 7 minus 3. Step 3, he has taken, step 4, he has taken. Now what is the question? Name the rule applied in the step 4 that change the sign. Yes, student, please tell me what is the rule applied in the step 4? Who will tell me? Please raise your hands. Please raise your hands, students. Yes, girl students. Second last bench. The left one, please come forward. Girl students, second last bench. Left student. लेफ्ट पे कौन है बच्चे? देखो, आ जाओ जल्दी से जरा. प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. सर भेजो जरा इनको जी. आइए बेटा, माइक ऑन करके बताइए बेटा, विच रूल वी हैव अप्लाइड हियर? हाँ जी, विच रूल वी हैव अप्लाइड? हाँ जी बोलो बेटा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए जरा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, असर्शन रीजन. इसमें रीजन में क्या गिवन है बेटा? व्हेन बोथ साइड्स ऑफ एन इनइक्वालिटी आर डिवाइडेड बाय ए नेगेटिव नंबर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इनइक्वालिटी साइन इज रिवर्स. तो दिस इज अ रूल वी अप्लाइड. देखो ना बच्चे, इस वाले अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करो, 3 को आप लेफ्ट साइड पे लेके आओगे, सॉरी राइट पे लेके आओगे, उसके बाद सेम स्टेप आ रहे हैं. फ्रॉम हेयर minus 2x is greater than equal to 4. When you divide minus 2x by minus 2 and 4 by minus 2, so inequality sign has reversed. In this step inequality sign has reversed. So rule कौन सा है बेटा? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के जो रीजन में आपको स्टेटमेंट गिवन है, when both side of an inequality are divided by a negative number, the direction of the inequality sign is reversed. So this is a rule. Is it clear? Please sit down beta. Yes students, now come to the second question. If a student forgets this rule and writes x is greater than equal to minus 2 instead, give a specific real number that exposes the error. वो कह रहा है कि किसी बच्चे ने ये वाला रूल नहीं अप्लाई किया, and what he has done, he has written x is greater than minus 2. He has written this rule only, right? You have to show कि this answer is wrong. इसको शो करने के लिए, रॉन्ग शो करने के लिए, टेक एनी स्पेसिफिक नंबर. नाउ व्हेन यू टेक, लेट्स से x is greater than equal to minus 2, any number, let take 0. if you take x equal to 0, it satisfies this rule, 0 is greater than -2. If you put 0 in this inequality, what does this makes? 3 minus 2 into 0 is greater than equal to 7. That's when 3 is greater than equal to 7. Is this false or not? Is it false? 3 is greater than equal to 7. Is it true or false, bachcho? False. So what number you can take? Any number greater than -2. You can take -1, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, any one number. You have to show the working by taking one of the numbers. Is this clear? So for the easier part, I have taken 0. So what we got? 3 is greater than equal to 7, which is false. Hence, this solution is wrong. X is greater than equal to -2 is wrong. Is it clear? Next question, bachcho. C part. Represent the correct solution on the number line, clearly indicating open or filled circle. अगर अब आपके पास रिजल्ट आ रहा है भाई बच्चों ये, तो आपका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? ये 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, right? So it is x is less than -1, less than equal to भी है, तो you will make a dark circle and you will dark it. Is this clear, bachcho? This is the solution on the number line. Have you understood? Yes or no? Right, bachcho. Comes to the question number 8. Question number 8. The number line below represent the solution of a system of two inequalities. Right. Two inequalities. Okay. देखिए बच्चों, पहले तो ये इनइक्वालिटी को अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए जी. Right, bachcho? Now just look at the inequality part. First is, this is 1, dark circle is there. It is moving towards the left. Is this clear, bachcho? Is this clear or not? Now there is another inequality B. What is B? There is a hole. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे जहाँ इन्होंने होल दिया है ये पॉइंट, ओके, मीन्स ए जो गिवन है वो -1 पे है जी. A is at -1 and B is at 3. Right? B is at 3. ओपन सर्कल जो बनाया है, आई थिंक इसने 6 पे बनाया है जी. दिस इज 5 and 6. यहाँ पे ओपन सर्कल है. राइट बच्चों? Now question is identified what values A and B represent. हाँ जी बच्चे, what is the value of A? Write the solution set in the interval notation. Identified what values A and B represents. A और B की क्या वैल्यूज आ रही है बच्चे? What is A? -1, B is 3. Is this clear? Write the solution set in the interval notation. इंटरवल नोटेशन में लिखना है आपको. कैसे लिखेंगे बच्चों? यस, हु विल टेल मी? सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों इसका? देखिए बेटा, सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या होगा? यहां से देखिए डार्क कहां तक है? ये डार्क इज एट 1, यहां से शुरू हो रहा है, और बी ये यहां पे आ रहा है. मतलब अगर यहां से लेके बी के बीच, इन दोनों के बीच में आपको अगर सॉल्यूशन सेट लेना हो तो यहां तक बनेगा बेटा 1, 2, 3. बिकॉज ए जो पॉइंट है -1 पे है. इज इट क्लियर बच्चों? इज दिस क्लियर और नॉट जी? Is it clear or not? So what is the solution set? 1, 2, 3. 1 will be included, 3 will also be included. This will be the solution set. A to B. डॉट यहां से स्टार्ट हो रहा है बच्चों, जो आपका सॉल्यूशन सेट है, विच इज दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट. 1 is included but 6 is not included. What will be the solution set A and B? A और B के बीच में A is -1, B is 3. What will be the solution set? 1, 2, 3, because less than 1 is not included. Is this clear? Is it clear, बच्चों? Solution set will be 1, 2, 3. 1 is also included, 3 is also included. Now comes to the second part. Write two possible individual inequalities whose intersection gives this solution. आपको बच्चे दो इंडिविजुअल इनइक्वालिटीज लिखनी है जिससे ये वाला सॉल्यूशन सेट आपको मिले, 1, 2, 3 वाला. यस, प्लीज राइट वन इनइक्वालिटी, इंडिविजुअल इनइक्वालिटीज. what will be the one inequalities? क्या हो सकती है बच्चे? क्या हो सकती है जी इनइक्वालिटीज जिससे आपके पास सॉल्यूशन सेट 1, 2, 3 आए? प्लीज टेल मी. यस बच्चों बताइए जरा. कैन आई राइट दिस? x belongs to, can this be the one of the solution? Yes or no? X is less than equal to 3 where x belongs to natural numbers, right? What can be the other inequality? What can be the other inequality? Yes students. देखिए बच्चे यहाँ पे जो सॉल्यूशन सेट है हम इसको नेचुरल नंबर वाला नहीं ऑब्टेन करते हैं, तो हाउ विल राइट दिस? हाउ विल राइट दिस द इनइक्वालिटी? x is less than equal to 3 and another we can write x is greater than equal to 1. If we take these two inequalities, the solution set will be this. Now it is on the real numbers. X should be less than equal to 3, x should be greater than equal to 1. So these are the two individual inequalities which represent this interval. Have you understood, bachcho? Right? You have to represent these this inequality by two individual inequalities. You just have to break down this. We can write this interval as, I can write like this. I have broken down this interval into two parts. Is it clear? Is this clear? Next question पे आ जाइए बच्चों. Is the value x equal to -1 is a solution? Yes or no बच्चों? X equal to -1 is a solution or not? No. Is x equal to 6 a solution? No. Justify with the inequality. Right? So you can write down x should lie between 1 and 3, including both. Therefore, x equal to -1 and x equal to 6 are not the part of the solution. Is this clear, bachcho? Is it clear? Right? So we move on to the next question. Question number 9. Sunita wants to score grade A in her course. She needs an average of at least 90 marks out of 100 in 5 examinations. ये देखिए बच्चे जो आपसे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है ये, राइट? सपोज यू आर इन +1, okay? 12th exam board class is there. Suppose for certain examination you require the minimum qualification as 90%. So what does this mean? You have to score average 90 in every subject. Yes or no? Now here what it is given, a student score the marks in 4 of the subjects, 87, 92, 94 and 95. This is her subject in 4 of the subjects. her score in 4 of the subjects. Frame the inequality for these situations. Clearly define your variable. How will you do it, bachcho? At least 90 marks out of 100. You have to represent this in the form of inequality. How will you do it? Let the score in 5th subject is X marks. So now what will be the inequality? You add all of these. देखिए बेटा मीन लेते थे ना आप 10th क्लास में. 10th क्लास में मीन कैसे लेते थे? एडिशन ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, राइट? नाउ दिस इज द एवरेज. एवरेज शुड बी व्हाट इट इज गिवन, एट लीस्ट 90. तो यहां पे कौन सा साइन आएगा बच्चों? प्लीज माइक ऑन करके बताओ जरा, साइन कौन सा आएगा? लेस देन इक्वल आएगा, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल आएगा, क्या आएगा? हाँ जी, फर्स्ट बेंच पे जो ब्लू शर्ट सेंटर लाइन में आ जाए जरा. ब्लू ब्लैक जो भी है आ जाओ बेटा, फटाफट आ जाओ.
सर लेस देन इक्वल टू.
लेस देन इक्वल टू
यस सर.
ये वाला, यही वाला बेटा.
यस.
अच्छा आगे क्या आएगा इसके बाद? यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? 90 की आवाज आई मुझे, चलो मैं 90 लिख देता हूँ. इज दिस करेक्ट? इज इट करेक्ट? डाउन. नहीं, माइक ऑन कर दो बेटा, मैं अगले स्टूडेंट को बुला रहा हूँ. इस सबसे लास्ट बेंच पे लेफ्ट साइड जो ब्लू शर्ट है वो आ जाएगा. हाँ आपको ही बुला रहा हूँ बेटा, आप ही तैयारी कर रहे थे ना खड़े होने की, आपको ही बुला रहा हूँ. या प्लीज कम आ जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. आपको बुला रहा हूँ बच्चे, आपको ही. आप बैठ क्यों गए? आपको ही बुलाया है. आ जाओ. हाँ जी बच्चे, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन?
यस सर. 100 आओगे.
हाँ जी 100 आएगा यहाँ पे. वहाँ पे 90 के प्लेस पे. अच्छा 100 आएगा, ठीक है. ये क्या क्वेश्चन क्या था बेटा? क्वेश्चन क्या था बेटा? बेटा 100 क्यों आएगा? आवर क्वेश्चन इज she has to score at least 90 marks, right, out of 100 in 5 examination. Please sit down. Bache, when he is saying she needs to score at least 90, at least का मतलब क्या है? ग्रेटर देन. अच्छा यहाँ पे इक्वल साइन आएगा या नहीं आएगा बताइए मुझे. एट लीस्ट का मतलब क्या है? she needs to score at least 90 means her score should be greater than or equal to 90. Have you understood?
Yes.
Now solve this inequality. Find the minimum marks Sunita must obtain in the 5th exam. When you will find the value of x, that will be the marks in the 5th subject. Please solve it. Please solve this बच्चों. इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करनी आती है ना बच्चों? Yes or no? Please do it. How much mark she needs to score in the 5th examination? हाँ जी बच्चों बोलो। बेटा कैलकुलेट कर लो, कितना मुश्किल काम है इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व करना। 80 82 कैलकुलेट करके देख लेते हैं इन सबका टोटल कितना आया बच्चों। 368। तो 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो यहाँ पे 450 आ गया। ठीक है बच्चों, तो ये कितना आ जाएगा। So therefore x will be greater than equal to 82. So she need to score at least 82 marks in the fifth subject so that her total is 90%, right? Is this clear? Now C part. If the fifth examination has a maximum 100 marks, is it possible for Sunita to grade A? Find the minimum marks. Sunita wants to score grade A in her course. She needs an average of at least. Yes, she can, beta. Out of 100, she can score 82. That is not a problem. So yes, she can get the grade A. Right, bacho? Now comes to the question number 10. Question number 10. In a chemistry lab, a student has 640 liters of 8% boric acid solution. She wants to dilute it by adding a 2% boric acid solution so that the final mixture has more than 4% but less than 6% boric acid. Right, Ji? Now try to understand. She has two solutions. One solution is of 8%. And how much is that solution? 640 liters. Second solution she is adding is of 2%. By mixing both of them, it should have the concentration more than 4% but less than 6%. How to do this? See, how to do this? Let she adds X liters of 2% solution, right? 2% boric acid solution. Right, बच्चों? Initially solution कौन सा है? 8%. How much is there? 640 liter. 640 into 8% means 8 by 100. Is it clear? This solution is 8 by 100 plus what we are adding up? X liter of 2% solution. Right? This solution should be more than. Now it is given more than. When it is more than, so you have to just put the sign greater than, right? No equal sign, greater than. What is the solution? It should be 4% solution of total, right? Total solution is 640 per x liters. So बच्चे जो total solution है, that should be 4%. This is a one inequality. Another is left side is same. Left side is same. So right side will be less than. Less than it should be 6%. Right? So this is an inequality. 8% solution plus 2% solution should be greater than 4%. 8% solution plus 2% solution should be less than 6%. जब दोनों को mix कर दिया, total solution will be 640 plus x. Have you understood this question, बच्चों? If yes, please raise your hand. नहीं समझ नहीं आया कुछ लोगों को. देखिए बच्चों, आप लोगों ने केमिस्ट्री में भी किए होंगे यार इस तरह के क्वेश्चन. तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में नहीं किए? फर्स्ट चैप्टर में किए होंगे ना केमिस्ट्री में. तो दिस इज द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट बच्चों. Here you need to make a solution of 4% by mixing two solution in which one is 8% and other is 2%. दोनों को मिक्स किया तो it should be greater than 4. दोनों को मिक्स किया तो it should be less than 6%. जी दोनों इनइक्वालिटी सॉल्व कर लो बच्चों. बताओ जरा सॉल्व करके x की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है. प्लीज डू इट. प्लीज डू इट बच्चों. देखिए सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या कीजिए, सब पूरी इक्वेशन को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो ये डिनोमिनेटर वाला 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा दोनों तरफ से, राइट. उसके बाद सॉल्व कर लीजिए. हाँ जी बच्चों हो गया. लेफ्ट वाली इक्वेशन तो सेम रहेगी ना बेटा. हाँ जी बच्चों हो गया. देखिए जरा कैसे करेंगे इसको. यहाँ तक आ गई फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आप लोगों की बच्चों. यस. तो टेक 2560 ऑन दिस साइड. ग्रेटर देन 4x माइनस 2x, राइट. तो ये बन जाएगा 2560 is greater than 2x. greater than है. yes. तो x will be less than equal to 1280 liters. x इससे लेसर होना चाहिए बच्चों. दूसरी इक्वेशन पे अगर हम जाते हैं तो 5120 प्लस 2x should be less than 6. okay. 6 4s are 24, राइट बच्चों. एक 3810 3840 on the other side. यहाँ तक कोई डाउट बेटा? Is it clear? Is this clear? So x will be less than equal to, sorry, x will be greater than. X will be greater than equal to 4 3s are 320. Means x should lie between 320 to 1280. This will be the solution बच्चों. Is it clear? Is this clear or not? Any doubt? चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, फाइंड ऑल द पेयर्स ऑफ कंसेक्यूटिव ऑड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर बोथ ऑफ विच आर स्मॉलर देन 10 सच दैट कंसेक्यूटिव हैं. देखिए बच्चे, सबसे पहले तो कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर का मतलब क्या हुआ? इफ x इज द वन इंटीजर देन सेकंड वन विल बी x plus 1, right? Now what he says, both of which are smaller than 10 means x is also less than 10, x plus 1 is also less than 10. This is the one inequality. Another thing is such that their sum is more than 11. दोनों का जो sum है that should be more than 11. So ये तीन inequalities आ गई बच्चों, right? इन तीन inequalities को solve कर लो. यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? x will be less than 10 minus 1 means x should be less than 9. देखिए इन दोनों का कॉमन पॉइंट क्या है? दिस वन. तो ये वाला सॉल्यूशन आ जाएगा. यहां से सॉल्व कर लो बच्चों. मींस x should be greater than 5 and less than 9. तो आपके पास पेयर कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे? पेयर कौन कौन से आ जाएंगे बच्चों? 5 6 हो सकता है. कैन इट बी 5 और 6? नो बच्चे, बिकॉज द सम इज ग्रेटर देन 11. तो ये नहीं हो सकता. सेकंड वन इज 6 7 7 8 8 9, right? So these three pairs will be the solution set. Is it clear? Is this clear? Next question देखिए बच्चों. In an experiment, a wire's resistance must be kept. हाँ जी बोलो, कोई डाउट है बेटा? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए बच्चे. In an experiment, a wire's resistance R in ohm must be kept between 25 degrees Celsius and 45 degrees Celsius for safe operation. The resistance temperature relationship is R is equal to, ये relation दिया हुआ है बेटा, R is equal to R naught plus 1 plus 0.004 T, right? Where R naught is 100 and T is the temperature. Write a double inequality for the range of safe temperature. बच्चे देखिए बच्चे, temperature should be less, lies between 25 and 45. एक inequality तो ये हो गई बेटा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो गया ये. Yes or no? A part is correct. Solve the double inequality to find the range of R. R की रेंज फाइंड आउट करनी है. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे जी? How will find out the range of R? R नॉट गिवन है 100 बच्चों. R नॉट को 100 पुट किया, बस ये T की वैल्यू इसमें पुट कर देंगे बेटा. R की रेंज आ जाएगी हमारे पास. Put the value of temperature, you will get the range of the R. Is it clear? If temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, is the temperature resistance within the safe range? Resistance safe range में आ जाएगी बच्चों. Yes, because temperature lies between 25 and 45. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट बच्चों? लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज अनदर इनइक्वालिटी बेटा. एक क्वेश्चन रह गया, मैं बस 1 मिनट लेके करा देता हूँ. IQ of a person is given by, IQ is equal to MA upon CA into 100, where MA is mental age and CA is chronological age. Chronological में मतलब समझते हो बच्चों? जो एक सिस्टम से मतलब एक चले आ रहे हैं. chronological अगर मैं बोलता हूं तो जो चीज पहले हुई वो पहले, जो बाद में हुई वो बाद में, राइट? फॉर ए ग्रुप ऑफ 12-year-old चिल्ड्रन IQ lies between 80 and 100, 80 and 140. Frame the compound inequality for mental age using CA is equal to 12. बेटा आपको क्रोनोलॉजी के लिए 12 गिवन है, IQ गिवन है, ये दोनों वैल्यूज यहाँ पुट कर दोगे आप तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा। कैसे? इस इनइक्वालिटी को आप लिख सकते हो बेटा, दिस शुड लाई बिटवीन 140 एंड 80। ये आपकी इनइक्वालिटी बन जाएगी बच्चों। यहाँ पे आप CA की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, CA की वैल्यू 12 पुट करेंगे, आपके पास मेंटल एज आ जाएगी। हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? चलो, with this we come to the end of this assignment. Thank you very much students for joining. Thanks a lot teachers.